Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 online video lesson series. In this video tutorial we will be learning about how you can set background of your slide, and we will also see how you can utilize SmartArt object into your PowerPoint slide. So let's see how you can set a background of your slide first. So click on to slide of which you want to set a background and go to this design ribbon, where you will find this customize section and there is an option of format background. So click on to this drop down arrow and one menu will be open. From this menu you can set background to solid fill color, to solid color, or you can set background of your picture also. So let's see first solid color. Select any color which you want to set as your background color. So I am selecting this yellow orange, and this color will be set to my current slide as a background color. Now what if I want to set a picture as a background? So go to this background, format background, and select picture. When this dialog box is open, so I am selecting this online education, and once it is uploaded to this Microsoft server, it will be set as background. So as you can see here, it is a preview of my slide. You can add text, you can add graphics onto this slide as well. So this is basically a background of slide. Now you can also set this background to all slide by just clicking onto one option. So apply to all option can be used to apply this profile, this background picture to all the slides. So let me click on to this apply to all button, and this background will be applied to all the slide of your presentation. There is no need to apply a background picture to all slide one by one. You just need to click on to this apply to all button. So as you can see, it is applied to my all the slides, but it is not looking that much good. So I am just undoing these changes by going home and clicking on to this undo button. So it will reverse my action of applying background to all slides. Now let's see how you can add SmartArt to your PowerPoint presentation slide. So I am adding a new slide. To add a SmartArt, you can go to this insert ribbon, and there will be a section of illustration from which you can add shapes and you can add SmartArt as well. So click on to this drop down arrow, and here are some SmartArt. SmartArt generally used for representing your process, your hierarchy, or some data related operations in visual format. So these are some basic SmartArts. Select which you prefer, or select which is most suitable for your process or data. So I am selecting this basic cycle, and it will be added to my slide. Now you can also write a text into SmartArt. To write a text or to set a text of your SmartArt, you can just right click onto this SmartArt and select this edit text. You can also set styles like this 3D style. You can select color as well. So I'm selecting this colorful format, or you can select this layout or change layout from here. So I am just editing my text, and here it is bullet points. Here you have to write all the points of your SmartArt. So I am writing just simple process of learning online. First one is open education website, log into it, log in with credentials, select your course, start learning, and last one is ask for help. So this is my process. So I am just clicking outside of this slide and this text will be applied to my SmartArt object. So as you can see, my text is applied. I am increasing size of SmartArt by these square points. One extra circle is added because of this text, so I am just removing it, and this extra object will be removed. It is taking little bit of time. So as you can see, this SmartArt object is added to my slide. So this is how you can represent your process, your hierarchy into your slides. So this is about SmartArt and setting background of your slide. Thank you very much.